Hello from Pippi Longstocking and welcome to my YT Velocity review. Now, my name is Sylvia, but I'm in a silly mood today because I am super excited. Another big launch. YT Velocity is a lovely product I am very proud and happy to promote, and as you can see guys, here I do have access to the members area, and I will be giving you shortly a proper run through the training course. It's a training course on YouTube. And in a nutshell, just to put it briefly, it will teach you how to start a YouTube channel, how to make it super successful, how to rank high on YouTube, on Google. And fast, you know, because velocity, right? Like Speedy Gonzalez. It is possible to have success fast, but you have to know how to put all the parts together, and you have to know the how. You know, having knowledge is one thing, yeah, but not, you know, like actually putting that into action and knowing how to do that is another thing. And this course will show you how to exactly do that. And you know, with whatever videos you will be putting on your channel, ranking high is one thing, but actually making money, you know, out of those videos is a different story. And this course will also teach you that. And I said I am really excited because whenever my colleagues from Ministry of Freedom launch a product, and especially those that I really know are experienced and they have put a lot of effort and the hearts and souls into it, I am so happy and excited for them, and I really want to, you know, give them as much support as I can, because it's just lovely. I get a lot of motivation and inspiration from them. Alright, let me introduce you to them. Here they are, John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. Hi guys. So, John, thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me inside Ministry of Freedom. I mean, you're one of those guys that I have a lot of respect for, because you're a real deal, and I mean it. I mean it and I mean it very respectfully. What can I say about John? He will always tell you, take action, put your best foot forward. I mean, like, really make the effort. I remember when I was starting and there was someone like posting, oh, I've put a few videos, free videos on my channel and I'm not seeing any results. And John was like, free videos? Well, try 300, okay. I love his sarcasm. I mean, to me, it's a, you know, it's a big sign of real intelligence when people know how to use sarcasm like that. Cynthia, she seems like a lovely lady. I saw her introduction video in the members area. I have not been interacting with her yet, but I am looking forward to getting to know her better. And apparently she lives in London. I check on her Facebook. I live in London too, so I do hope we can catch up for coffee one day when she's not too busy. She's a busy girl. I understand that. So yeah, these are the creators, and they are real deal, and they know what they are doing. They have put a lot of effort into this product, and I wholeheartedly recommend it. Alright, I mean, do you love it? Do you love it? If you do, then stick with me, because if you guys pick up this product via the link that I have attached down below my video in the description box, then I will be giving you some bonuses, my custom-made bonuses that I have prepared especially for you. Let me show them to you now. As you can see on my bonus page, you will have some information on the product, on the price, the front end, and all of the upsells, and I'll let you check it out in your own time. So my bonuses, the first two will teach you a lot about generating free traffic. Okay, the number 3 is all about building a buyer list, because the money is in the list, and it's actually a tutorial from John Armstrong, and John Armstrong is the creator of the top affiliate marketing course that I am a member of, and John and Cynthia also members of the same course. Well, with that said, they are way more experienced than I am. I only started my journey with this course about 2.5 months ago, and I've made a phenomenal progress, you know, without trying to blow my own trumpet. But I came from like a zero tech experience, and like check me out now, okay? I'm madly enjoying this, madly, truly, deeply. Okay, and the other bonus I'm giving you guys is how to get your journey started with affiliate marketing. So that's another video by John Armstrong that will, you know, help you get your feet wet into affiliate marketing and kind of help you decide your mind whether this is something you'd be interested in. And if so, like, I really recommend Ministry of Freedom. If you guys are interested in that, you know, ask away in the comment section. I will give you a link to the Ministry of Freedom. And the last one is the special one, as it gives you access to all the bonuses, all the vendor bonuses that John and Cynthia added to velocity, to the product. Sorry, it's not just velocity, I just said velocity, but it's YT, you know, like YouTube velocity, right? Okay, so if you're interested in that, like, you know, you just need to go below my video, click on the link, which will take you to this bonus page, and then just smash this yellow button here, and voila, product is yours. From there you will be sent to a sales page, and then to claim your bonuses and the product, you will end up on a platform called Warrior Plus. My bonuses are here, the blue one, and the product, YouTube velocity, is here, the green one. All right, with that said, let me quickly show you the sales page. Okay, as you can see, the pictures are here at the top, not at the top, at the bottom of the sales page. Let's check out what the headlines say. YT velocity, monetize any offering, any niche fast. Exactly, any niche, and it's very beginner friendly as well. So whatever you want to make your YouTube channel about, this will help you. It's a very powerful training to teach you all about you need to become successful with your channel, basically, and make money. Okay, so secret blueprint unlocks set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. Alright guys, I am not spending much time here on this sales page. Here's the benefits of it, you know. I mean, one thing that is like, it kind of blew my mind is that they give you like 1 year money back guarantee. This is how confident they are, you know. You will see it at the end of the sales page. This is how confident they are about the product, because who gives you 1 year money back guarantee, right? Okay, so here's the like true, like, you know, you can see on this platform Warrior Plus, this John Newman, that's his money, the money he makes. And Cynthia is doing amazingly well as well, I must say. I'm quite impressed with you, girl. Where is Cynthia? Oh, there she is. You know, for the last 30 days she made 12,000. Well done to you. Lovely. All right. Cheers for this product. Okay, I'll let you check it out in your own time, just to show you the proof of this amazing. Here's the bonuses as well. They add some bonuses on top of this product, but it's all on the sales page. So I'm just looking for this 1 year money back guarantee. Bear with me, guys, because I am a little bit lost here. Here it is, I found it. You know, like the sales page is normally quite long, so it takes a while to go through it. Anyhow, let me show you the product itself. It's amazing. Okay, this is the training course. You can join the group. Now guys, watch it step by step. John tells you all about what you need to know. So you watch this video first, and then there is this orientation video, and he will explain to you all you need to know about this product, how to go about it, right? Okay, this is the main training here. So overview, setting up your YouTube channel. Do I need to put my face on camera? And John is pretty straightforward. He tells you, like, if you want to see good results, yeah, that's the best thing to do. But, you know, as you start, you don't have to, and there's a way you can go around it. Okay, all the tools that will be required of you to install, and how to come up with content ideas, down for your content ideas and keywords, ranking factors, uploading and ranking videos, optimize your video for maximum ranking, how to optimize a secret ranking hack, and then authority commenting, the importance of thumbnails. And this is like a creation service that allows you to create backlinks that make your everything more powerful and bring more traffic to your videos, to whatever you're promoting. IFTTT stands for if this then that. Yeah, I didn't know it myself. I actually watched that video to find out what is this. I was like, yeah, okay, it's about the backlinks. Now, turning rankings into money, exactly, because you can rank high as much as you want, but if you don't make any money, well, what use is that, right? Okay, in this module number 3, you have some case studies. Do watch them. I've watched them. I found them very inspirational, motivating. You know, he talks, John, about his own experience also with affiliate marketing and the money he's been making, the progress he has made. He's been in this for about 2 years, I believe. Now he has about almost 2,000 YouTube subscribers. I do watch and visit his channel regularly. You know, in the early days, well, it's not like I've been in this forever, but you know, I've been learning a lot from him, so I got like ideas on how to make videos. I've been watching many people's videos. So, all right, and then conclusion and the next step. He will tell you take action. Okay, like he's the do it, just do it guy. And the rest here you have the bonuses, unannounced bonuses, resources, upgrades, and you know, if you need any help, he tells you can do it, like reach out to them via Facebook or email. And here's some like book recommendations he also put on, and some links to extra tactics. Or here you can join Ministry of Freedom, the same course that we all are members of, and we all are super happy and grateful to John Armstrong for having put all this content together. We get inspired by each other's successes daily. Yeah, all right, guys. I hope you love this product. I do love. I'll definitely buy it myself as well. You know, Ministry of Freedom have given me a lot, but I still like pick some. I don't buy everything that is out there, obviously, but if there are some good products, and yeah, let me show you the prices actually. For this price, I mean, ridiculously cheap. I mean, they will be selling like crazy, so they'll be making loads of money. But you know, if you buy just like, you know, spend it once, like it's $12.95. It's nothing for the content you are getting, okay, and for the support as well. So do go for it if you're thinking of opening up a YouTube channel and, you know, making it to a full-blown success. That's the way to go. I'm buying it, and I am very excited to take my YouTube channel to a next level. All right, ciao, take care, have a beautiful day, bye bye.